Okay guys, how are you today? I hope that you are doing well. So now in this special occasion, we just want to show you we are today in Pasar Senggol, night market close by Ubud. Looks so tempting, the gorengan.
Alright, so this is the food section situation of the night market, right?
So they sell nasi campur, ayam betutu. Looks so tempting. I think that I will try once here.
Many
but
nice
let's see.
things.
Let's have a walk first around. Oh, they sell also for dessert. Es dawet, es daluman. This is for the dessert.
Many nice things actually. This is the new location of the market, by the way, for everyone who are familiar.
And on the left, this is a Balinese, dessert. So in this street food of Pasar Senggol, you see there are babi guling also.
Oh, babi guling. Now let's have a look for the babi lah.
Yeah. And also they have
Hello.
they have another ayam betutu.
Ayam betutu.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not like in Gilimanuk, but the same dish actually.
Yeah, but ayam betutu is special in Gianyar.
Yeah. What about here? Babi guling again.
Another babi guling. Come get closer. Oh, you see?
Babi
Looks so
guling.
tempting.
Babi guling. What is this duck?
No, this one is the
Looks
ayam
like-
panggang.
Oh, ayam pangang. Also
wow.
very nice. Some bread selection, knife selection. What is
then
this ayam
Ayam
pangang?
panggang also. Looks so nice.
So tempting, isn't it? Fish, little delivery. As every market have a mix like that. It's also not that busy, right?
Yeah.
I could say.
Yeah.
Let's have another street. Lah. What is here? Little drink section, fish section, but not for eating fish. This one are decorative.
They also have
decoration.
mie ayam, ayam bakar, lalapan, so many selection.
Bakso. And the house looks market from all around. This market actually was bigger long time ago, right?
Yeah, it was big a long time ago, but it was in the city center in Gianyar. But in the Gianyar, they built a new and more modern market. So because in the Pasar Senggol night market in Gianyar is famous for the ayam panggang like this, so I just decided to have a dinner ayam panggang today. So nice.
Looking nice, right?
Let's have a sit.
Okay. Anyway, if you would like to have a babi guling also, you can have it here. And that's how it looks situation on the local night markets nowadays. The satay is also here.
Here also selling sate tuna, sate babi.
That's for me.
And then Damian really craving for this one. Niki sate napi? Sate tuna, babi.
Tuna babi.
Okay,
Actually, I wanna have a satay tuna.
Sate tuna.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
That's for me.
With the sticky rice.
Yeah,
Look,
with
this
the
one.
sticky rice.
The sticky rice is just inside the coconut leaf.
No sambal, okay?
No sambal. Okay.
No sambal.
Good. Okay, so Damian's food is here already. Look, what did you order?
Satay tuna, but check this out, so nice, right?
So
With the soup.
good.
So in
this
street
is-
food you can mix actually for sellers, it's okay. I like tuna, I really like satay tuna. Not easy to buy actually, so much Lego.
Selamat makan.
Check this out, so nice. I really like it.
Okay, so somebody asking that what's Damian don't eat. So this one, Damian eat this one. So this one is ayam panggang. First of all, I need to wash my hand. This is typical street food, washed here. And then I will show you what I ordered. This is called ayam panggang. Looks so good. And this one is the kuah, sayur kuah. This one ayam panggang, like grilled chicken, and with sambal mata, and with the veggies, and this one with the chicken's intestine, or chicken's, stomach. And yeah, look. So This is look like ayam betutu but different.
But
the different.
Sayang, but is it spicy or not?
Let me try. I don't think it's spicy, but the sambal.
Yeah, obviously
make-
sambal will be, but chicken itself maybe not spicy,
Veggie.
right?
Look this one, and then with the peanut, I put with my nasi. Smacznego.
Smacznego, salamat makan. Bon
go.
appetit.
So I will have my own foodie YouTube channel. I think we'll be starting next month, right? If you really would like to see how is the local food is just like this, please subscribe my channel, and then I will start making it in next month. And then my YouTube channel is just like once a week. Not like Damian's, not like the Monkeys channel every day, but this foodie channel will once a week to explore the food in Bali and Indonesia. So my ayam panggang almost finished. So this is taste so spicy, and then if we compare with ayam betutu, this one is less spicy, but we can still feel like the Balinese spice inside. Not like you know, when we were in ayam betutu, the chicken itself is not that spicy, but the sambal that make it so spicy. Okay guys, so the special thing about this what is it called, Pasar Senggol or night market, is the ayam panggang that I ate before. You see, almost in the street vendor or food vendor that we saw, you see, just like this, ayam panggang. So almost around maybe 10 from many food vendor, they sell ayam panggang. From Sanur, it takes us around 1 hour, right, honey?
Yeah, about 50 minutes, 1 hour, yeah.
So yeah, it's worth it. If you want to try the authentic ayam panggang in Bali, so this is the place. Okay guys, I feel a bit spicy. You see my lips already red, and it's time to have a dessert. And I just decided to buy Balinese dessert like behind me. This one is just like the seaweed, bulung, like seaweed grass jelly. And that one with the black rice. Just ordered my dessert, Balinese dessert. I ordered the black rice. And this one is called giling-giling. I don't know what is it. It's actually made of the flour, and then you have to boil in the hot water, and then you put the shred coconut on the top, and also the brown sugar. You already can imagine how is my foodie channel, right? My foodie channel must be more fantastic than this. Smacznego. Let me try this. Get closer. The taste, so sweet, and then in my mouth, when it was so hot and spicy, it's just like zlip. So good. It's paradise for my mouth.
Except the food, they also have so many accessories in this market, I could say. Fake Ray-Bans, fake Rolex, toys for kids. And actually I could say, as here is busier than the food, maybe that's stuff have a more interest than the food itself nowadays. Little donut for me. This one,
The plain one?
and this one.
And the chocolate.
Yeah, and the sugar one also.
Okay. Okay guys, so Damian wants to have a different one. Damian wants to buy donut actually. Mbak, donatnya ini satu, yang isi gula sama yang coklat. 7K. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Pasar Senggol Gianyar. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!